Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So I was at Value Village today in North Bay, among other places, as usual. I'm sure some of you can guess where else I went. Anyways, this is a Conair. I'm going to just call it a Star Globe because there's no actual name other than Conair on it written anywhere. And what this thing is it's got an LED in it that can change different colors and it has sound. And I saw this for $4 and I was like, that's kind of neat. It had some batteries in it that had like just enough life left in it to let us know that things actually worked. So I put some brand new batteries in it. So we're going to fire this thing up for you guys to check out and see what you think of it. I mean, for $4, how do you say no? So we start out with green. We got different sounds here. Sounds like rain, a seashore, heartbeat. Not that I want to listen to that when I'm sleeping. Like animals. Okay, so you got a few different sounds there. You got volume control too to raise and lower. So let's see how the lighting works on the ceiling. So I'm going to just point this up to the ceiling. And we're going to see how this goes. Now this is the green. It's not like the world's brightest. It's actually brighter in here than what the camera actually picks up. So we can rotate colors here. So we've got blue, kind of like a purplish. So green, red. The red you can't even see. Off, green, blue, kind of like a purple. And there's a red. So green we can see, blue, purple kinda, yeah. Red you can't see on camera at all. Camera I don't think is even picking that up. You guys can let me know. But it puts some neat little stars on there and a moon, and I thought, well, that's kind of cool because I got like one of those disco lights you guys seen before, and that I picked up from Long McQuaid, and I saw this and I thought, well, that's kind of neat. It runs off, you know, three AA batteries, and it's got some noise to it, you know, so it's kind of neat, and you can, you know, dial it down so you can just barely hear it. I have enough trouble sleeping as it is, so I'm actually going to try this thing out probably tonight actually, and run probably the ocean or something, and obviously turn it down a lot lower in volume so it doesn't actually bug me. But just to see what it's like. But that's all we've got on it here. It's just that it's Conair, and that's the only other writing. There's nothing on here to give us an indication of a model or what they even call this thing. You know, customer service is on here, power requirements. You can only run it strictly off batteries though. You know, but I thought the sound part was neat. You know, you can crank it up or down. And you just keep rotating until it shuts back off again. So you can either have the sound on or not. Anyways, I think it's kind of cool. If you ever see one of these things and you want to have something like that to run some sound, I'm sure the batteries will last for several hours anyways, and we'll find out how long, because I'm going to give it a good overnight test and see how well it still runs in the morning. I like the lights though. The lights are kind of the reason I mainly bought it, and it's like, oh, it's got sound, that's a bonus, so that's kind of neat. But yeah, take a look at one of these things if you find one. If you've even got one, let me know what you actually think of it and what these things sold for new, because yeah, that's kind of interesting. Just let me know if you're talking US dollars or Canadian, because I'm in Canada. But yeah, kind of a neat little machine. I definitely give that a big thumbs up, and for what it is and for what it does, and you know, the sound isn't bad, especially once you turn it down. It actually sounds a lot better. I definitely give that a good easy 4 out of 5 anyways. So, and for $4, hey, what the heck, it was a cool deal. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, catch you in the next one.